Hello student, here we discuss pOH, pH of different solutions and acidic, basic and neutral nature. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Formula used everywhere, pH plus pOH is equal to 14 and pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Very easy question. pOH of solution is 3.5. Calculate the pH of the solution. So what you have to do? You have to write on pH plus pOH is equal to 14. And so pH will be equal to 14 minus pOH because pOH is given to us and they are asking pH. Okay, so we will keep pH first equal to 14 minus pOH. So it will be 14 minus 3.5, that is 10.5 pH. 10.5 means pH is more than 7, so its solution is basic in nature. Molar concentration of H positive is less than molar concentration of OH negative. OH negative concentration is more in this case. What does it mean? Whether it is acidic solution, alkaline solution or neutral solution, H and OH and concentration always remain there. Concentration will be different. That's it. So molar concentration of OH negative is more over here and H ion concentration is less. Okay, and because H ion concentration less, that is why pH is more. And this is alkaline solution. pOH of solution is 9.5. Calculate the pH of the solution. Again, formula use pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Here I did directly. So 14 minus 9.5 is equal to 4.5. pH is equal to 4.5. That is, it is acidic solution. Here H ion concentration, molar concentration of H ion are greater than molar concentration of hydroxide ion. Clear to you? So more H positive, less OH negative concentration, so solution will be acidic. pH is here less than 7. Now pOH of solution is 7. Calculate the pH. Now both of them, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. pH is equal to 7. If pH is equal to 7, solution is neutral. For neutral solution, molar concentration of H ion equal to molar concentration of OH negative ion. Both of them are equal. So, okay. So, no effect on blue or red litmus on this solution. No effect of blue litmus or red litmus on the neutral solution. But blue litmus turns red in acidic medium. Okay. So, where is acidic medium? This is what will happen. Blue litmus turns red. And alkaline, red litmus turns blue. I am talking about litmus paper. Okay. So in this way we can say which is acidic solution, which is alkaline solution, which is neutral solution using litmus paper also. We verify that okay, this is base alkaline solution, acidic, and this is neutral solution.